Welcome! Did you know water has memory? Yes, you heard it right. Water can absorb the thoughts of human being. Let me show you something. Isn't it amazing? Now see, this is Dr. Masaru Emoto and he experimented a lot with water. He has taken water from polluted area, some lake, some river water, tap water, and he crystallized the water. What he used to do is he used to take some water sample and he used to keep it in a test tube. Okay, so he used to take same water sample and he used to divide it in different test tubes, and he used to keep the test tubes in different areas, and he used to go and used to say some words to each test tubes. In front of some test tube, he used to say only good words. In front of some test tube, he used to say only bad words, and sometimes he used to ignore the other test tubes. And after that, for 2 minutes, he used to do the same, and then he used to just crystallize the water and he used to see the forms, how the structure the water molecule created. Sometimes when he used to get water from the sewage, it used to take him 7 to 10 days to get a very proper structured water from that sewage water. Let me show you more. See, water can recognize all things. See, here, if you see this water molecule, it has crystallized and it has taken before offering a prayer. Can you see any structure over here? Isn't it distorted? Yes. And see the same water molecule after offering a prayer. And see, can you see here nice structure? Some synchronized form? Isn't it amazing? Look at the water crystal. So nicely it has formed a structure. This is the power of prayer. So that is the reason when we go to the temple or church, we take water there, and it feels so amazing after taking that water. Isn't it so? Now you guys also started charging the water, right? So do one thing. Next time you charge water, before charging, take a sip and try to remember the taste of it. And after giving some good thoughts and good affirmation to the water for 2 to 3 minutes, again drink the water and see the change of the taste. It will be more better, it will be more sweet. Just do this. Observe this. See, here when he says thank you, such a nice structure formed here. And when he say I will kill you, again water molecule become distorted. Love and appreciation. Lover, Om, Namaste, innocence. Look at the water crystals. Such lovely form they have created. Some synchronized one. It's looking awesome, isn't it so? See, the honest, respect, love and gratitude. I cannot. It is distorting. Here, I can. It is in a full structure, full nice synchronized form. I love you. Here, stupid. When you this one, see, this one's so nice, and again you say stupid and it is totally distorted. See, he has taken water from a polluted lake in Japan. How it is, no structure, totally distorted. All these water molecules are distorted. See here, this heavy metal music. So this is the reason when we listen to heavy metal music, we feel so headache. Sometimes we get headache, we feel so, we don't feel good sometimes, right? But when we hear soothing music, we feel so nice. See, he has taken water from Fujiwara Dam. Before offering a prayer, there is no proper crystallized form. This is totally distorted, and this one after offering a prayer. Same water. After offering a prayer, it has got such a synchronized form. See, sun, coral, lake, waterfall. He has taken the water from waterfall, lake, coral, and this he kept in under the sun, and he got it like this. See here, when he played some good music, Beethoven, Mozart, and he got some nice crystal, and when he played some rock music, again the water is totally distorted. See, this is his book, Hidden Messages in Water. You can find it in the Google. You can just, if you really want to check it, if you feel it really amazing, you can go and check this. Now, imagine water can absorb the thought, right? You are 70% water. We all are 70% water. Human body is 70% water, right? So whenever we are giving some good thought to it, we feel positive from inside. Now in the morning when we charge a glass of water and we drink it, automatically we start feeling positive. Now imagine, suppose you have some anger or some, like you are angry with some other person and you are just thinking about that person and you are just, in your mind only, you are just saying some bad words to the person. Sometimes it happens with us, no? Sometimes we get angry with someone and in our mind only we say some or the other thing to that person. Who is getting affected with that? You only. If I am saying something bad in my mind to someone else, who is getting affected? I am getting affected. Because my water molecule, 70% of me is water, and the water molecule, it is listening to that, like it is absorbing the bad thought. And what is happening? I am only destroying my good health. I am getting anxiety, I am getting stress. Just imagine there is a house in which there are 7 people staying. Okay, 7 people are there. Everyone is thinking in the same way. Will there be any conflict in the house? No, right? Now imagine in the same house there are 5 people or 7 people, but each one of them are thinking in a different way. For each and every decision to take, everyone has to say some or the other thing, and everyone is always opposing the other one. What will happen? There always will be conflict, right? Same thing happens when the water molecules, when we say good things, when we say positive things, all the water molecules in our body get a proper form, get a synchronized form. But when we start saying negative words or bad words, the water molecules get distorted. And when it gets distorted, all of them are just like, they are like without any proper structure. And it hampers our health. So next time onwards, whenever you feel angry about someone or something, remember this, that if you get angry, you are only getting harmed. You are only harming yourself. So, it is very important that in the morning, once we get up, we take a glass of water, we charge it with good thoughts. And I told you also in my previous video that while giving affirmation, we always should use positive words. There should not be any kind of no, does not, did not, or pain, ache, or problem. All these negative words should not be there. This is the reason. When you say only positive word, when you give positive thoughts to the water, water creates wonder in your body. You will not know, but from inside, you will be healing yourself. So, from next time onwards, keep it in mind and always say good things to water and drink it. Even before eating food also, just give a little prayer to the food. Just say some prayer to the food. That this food is making me healthy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This much if you say, the quality of the food will be better. We sometimes go outside and eat food, no? Sometimes we fall sick also. So in that case, whenever you are eating outside food, just once you get the food, just say some good thoughts in front of give some good thoughts to the food. Just say thank you, thank you, thank you for this wonderful food, for this lovely food I get to eat. This food will give me health. That doesn't mean you just drink alcohol and say this alcohol will do wonder to me. That doesn't mean. But yes, somehow if you say good prayer, good thought, if you give good thought to the food or good thought to the water, it is going to create wonder. So I hope you all like the video and keep on practicing. Reiki bless you. Thank you everyone.